A common question we get from customers near our local warehouses is around delivery and assembly services. If you're looking to save money and you're near a local warehouse, you can actually come directly to us. We'll load your trailer up. You're able to take that lift home at no extra charge. However, if you're really busy and don't want to deal with the hassle of picking up, we provide white glove delivery services. What that means is you do not need a forklift, you do not need a skid steer. Our in-house team will bring the lift on a trailer directly to you. We will unload the lift off the trailer for you and set it at any position on your driveway, garage, or shop that you would like us to. To take it one step further, in addition to white glove delivery, a lot of our customers opt into white glove assembly. This is where our technicians will not only just deliver the lift, they'll completely assemble it for you, show you how to use it, make sure it is operating to the exact specifications, so that way you can get that car on that lift and start enjoying your new purchase.